Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're going to peek behind the curtain on something you've probably done a million times without even thinking about it. We're going deep inside an event cancellation to check out the awesome serverless story that happens in like a flash. Okay, let's get into it.
So, picture this. You're on your calendar, plans change, and you hit that button, cancel event. Seems super simple, doesn't it? Just one click, and poof, it's gone. But have you ever stopped to wonder what's really happening in the background? What kind of invisible machinery just sprang to life?
Well, that single click is so much more than that. It actually kicks off this incredibly fast, completely automated workflow, and it all happens serverlessly up in the cloud. It's really a beautiful piece of engineering designed to be rock solid, super efficient, and totally invisible to you.
Now, to make all this magic happen, you need a specialized digital team. And in this story, our team is a crew of powerful AWS services, and each one has a very specific job to do. So let's meet them. First up is Amazon SQS. Think of this as the system's digital in-tray. Its whole job is to catch every single cancellation request and hold it securely in a line or a queue. This is so important because it separates the click from the work. So even if the system is swamped, your request is safe and sound, waiting patiently. Nothing ever gets lost. Next, we've got AWS Lambda. This is our on-demand worker, the real brains of the operation. The moment a request shows up in that SQS queue, Lambda instantly wakes up, does its job, and then it's gone. No server just sitting around running 24/7, wasting energy and money. It's pure efficiency. It only works when there's work to be done. Okay, so we've processed the cancellation, but now we got to tell everyone, right? That's where Amazon SES comes in. This is our global postmaster. Instead of trying to build a complicated email system from scratch, the system just hands the job to SES, which is built to send millions of emails and make sure they get delivered. It's all about using the right tool for the job. And finally, where's all the information, like who to email? It's all stored in Amazon DynamoDB, our digital filing cabinet. And this isn't just any old filing cabinet. This thing is built for speed. We're talking blink of an eye fast. That's absolutely critical because our Lambda worker needs to grab the event details, get the attendee list, and finish its job in milliseconds. No delays allowed. All right, so we've met the players, now let's watch them in action. It's like a perfectly choreographed dance, taking us all the way from that first click to the final confirmation email hitting everyone's inbox. It all happens in 4 key steps. 1, the trigger. Your request lands safely in the SQS queue. 2, process. Lambda instantly fires up and pulls the details from that request. 3, notify. Lambda creates the cancellation email and tells SES to send it out to everybody. And 4, and this is so important, cleanup. Once the job is done, Lambda deletes the request from the queue. Why? So it doesn't accidentally get processed again. You definitely don't want to send people 2 cancellation notices. Now here's a little detail that makes a huge difference for you, the user. The system doesn't just send a plain text email. It sends a special iCal formatted notice. That's the secret sauce that tells apps like Google Calendar or Outlook, hey, this event is canceled, and it automatically updates it on your calendar for you. It's a tiny technical choice that makes the whole experience totally seamless. Of course, we all know technology isn't always perfect. Things can go wrong. So a really good system has to be ready for those hiccups. What happens if something breaks during this process? Well, this architecture is designed to be tough. It's got safeguards built right in. So let's say a request comes through, but some info is missing. Does the whole thing crash? Nope. It just gets logged and skipped. What if one email out of 100 fails to send? No big deal. That one error is noted, but the process keeps right on going for everyone else. And best of all, every single error is recorded, which makes it super easy for developers to find and fix any problems later. So when you put this all together, you get this incredibly elegant and powerful system. Let's just do a quick recap of why this serverless setup, this specific combination of tools, works so darn well. Each one of these services is a star player, right? But the real power, the real magic is in the teamwork. SQS makes the system reliable, which allows Lambda to be super cost-efficient. Lambda's speed is only possible because DynamoDB is so fast. And SES provides that rock-solid notification service the whole process can depend on. It's a system where every single part makes the other parts even better. So, what's the big takeaway here? It's that by using this serverless approach, developers can build systems that automate all these little everyday tasks with just incredible reliability and efficiency. It's about using the right tool for the right job to create a process that just works every single time. And that leaves us with a final, kind of cool thought. We've just unpacked the simple act of canceling an event. It makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other simple things we do every day, like ordering a pizza, liking a photo, or booking a ride, are powered by these same kinds of complex, amazing, and totally invisible workflows happening just behind the screen. Thanks for diving in with me on this one.